One of the most commonly used word in the human vocabulary by every human being is the word misunderstanding, misunderstood. For every excuse, every shortfall, every error, we can give an excuse and say, sorry, I misunderstood it. Sorry, I misunderstanding. So, if you realize how the word misunderstanding comes, we need to go to understand the word understand. The understand, what is the meaning of understanding? There are two words, standing and under. And if you reverse it, standing under instead of understanding, it's important for us to understand really the word understanding means apprehension, comprehension, realization, and all these things. If we have properly realized, we have properly comprehend things, we are properly apprehending, then we know that we realize it, we know it. And that's why we come under. Come under, we stand under. We stand under that knowledge, under that revelation, under that important knowledge that was revealed to us. We stand under it. There are so many mistakes takes place in the world, of course. But for every mistake is not due to misunderstanding or misunderstood person. We talk about many misunderstood persons, individuals, misunderstood situations, circumstances. In the year 2021, we as individuals should really move away from repeating this condition called misunderstanding, being a misunderstood person. Because we need to really fathom everything that comes on our way. Every task given to us, every responsibility given to us, every accountability that comes to us, every based on relationships, positions, places, there are many responsibilities and accountabilities and ownership comes to us. We need to really realize that. Realization, comprehension, apprehension of that is the real understanding. Then, if you really have that, you stand under it. When you stand under it, there is no way that you can make a mistake, error. You are standing under the realization. You are standing under the apprehension. You are standing under the comprehension. You are standing under the revelation or the revealed things, the knowledge. And when you are standing under, that means you understand well. And there is no room for misunderstanding. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a challenge for you and me in the year 2021. That is to not to showcase ourselves as a misunderstood person, or whatever is assigned to you, not to misunderstand it. Understand properly, apprehend properly, realize properly, comprehend properly, come under it, stand under it, and then you can bring value to yourself and to many others.